after you break it, you blend it and you get the
People,
juice.
look at the rich coconut meat.
Right.
See that rich coconut meat right there, sir?
So this is coming from the leaf,
Right.
which we quail to get it pliable.
So you put it in.
You have to quail it over the fire.
Many times you smell the real chocolate scent coming from it, and you can put that in your pot now and boil your water. Pastry is a big part of our appetite, and many persons know about Thai leaf or Dukunu or blue draws, and today I'm going to be making that with a special set of persons. They're going to show me how to do it, why they do it the particular way. It has a lot of history as well. It is said to come from West Africa, Ghana to be exact. So I'm going to find out all that information, and as usual, I'm bringing you along.
Kareem's Quest. Travel different from the rest. You're watching Kareem's Quest. Always an adventure when you're watching Kareem's Quest.
I'm here with Mr. Sinclair and Carla, right?
Yes.
I call him at a fire. And so we're outside, we're at Tapioca in St. Mary.
Tapioca Village Retreat
In St. Mary, and they're going to be showing me how to make Dukunu. So what we're going to start with now, Mr. Sinclair?
Well, we have already grated the potato, right? Did it the traditional way.
Ah, okay then.
Right.
So,
yes,
listen, and everybody know the pain this is now when you have a little piece of potato leaf.
yes,
And you don't want your finger for
yes.
prick on any of this, right?
Yeah, you don't want to have your finger to it.
Carla, that happened to you?
Yes, it did.
Long
It
time.
did?
Long time.
Mr. Sinclair said long time.
Long time.
Long time.
All right,
Right, not
cool.
my game.
All right, so we grated the potato.
Yes.
Good.
Yes, the traditional way.
Traditional
Yeah.
way.
Yes. And this is what we achieved from it.
Good. As Jamaicans, there are some things that we like better than others. Visit kareemsquest.com and vote for your preference. Now we finish grating, what we're going to do?
And we have the meal,
Yeah.
the sweet potato meal. So we're going to start adding the other ingredients.
Okay
So we're going
then.
to be adding flour,
4 cups of,
4 cups of flour
yeah.
and cornmeal mix.
and cornmeal. What's the
Right.
proportion cornmeal to flour?
A third of the mix is flour.
Okay.
That's mostly cornmeal.
Mostly cornmeal.
Right.
So 2/3 cornmeal, 1/3 flour.
Right, right. And we are mixing as we go along.
Right.
And we're mixing
And
all
this
of the
is
dry
the
ingredients.
coconut.
You're going
So
to
we're
cut.
going to break it.
you're
Would you like
breaking
the
now?
water to drink?
Of course.
Okay.
Mr. Coconut Breaker, anytime you're ready. All right. And let's just talk about the ingredients. This is,
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
yeah, this is. What this one is?
The cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
The boiled cinnamon.
Yes.
All right, we do want some of the water.
Show the water more.
So this is it. After you break it, you blend it and you get the
People,
juice.
look at the rich coconut meat.
Right.
See that rich coconut meat right there, sir? Yeah.
Which we blend.
Blend it and we
to
get
make
the juice.
And this is the juice right there, sir.
Or
Alright.
coconut milk. Milk is the
Yeah,
right word.
coconut milk, alright.
It's vegan milk.
Add it.
Yes.
4
Vegan
cups.
milk.
Vegan milk, yes.
Alright.
Yes.
4 cups of coconut.
Right,
So
you
4
add the
cups of
rest
coconut milk.
Yeah, in it. Throw it in it.
in.
You good do it, Carl. I'm going to trust you more.
Alright, good.
Kareem Quest. Kareem don't necessarily mix.
Carla, you add and me mix. Okay.
Yeah.
And what type of consistency are we looking for here?
A workable consistency that you
Like
can
clay?
stand up in. Yes, yes, yes. A little sulfur clay. Right. Feel what you look like.
So let me ask you something. So traditional people use the wooden spoon, right?
Yes, yes.
So-
and we are using wooden spoon.
Wait, no. So persons who are up to date now, would they use a mixer?
You can use a mixer.
You can use a mixer.
Yes, we have a mixer inside.
All right, cool. 1 second there.
You feel the consistency.
Yeah.
Right, right. You're gonna get softer than this
You
now.
can add your
Sugar.
We'll add the sugar now.
yeah,
Sprinkle it
4
down.
cups of
4 cups of sugar.
yeah.
One.
You can add if you want.
Continue adding till finish.
Okay.
You can add to taste. And you add
Raisins.
raisins. 4 cups of
4 cups of raisins. sir?
half a cup of raisins.
All right.
Yeah. 2 teaspoons.
And this is a starch-oriented type pastry. So everywhere in the world have their pastry. This is one of our pastry. We have different things like coconut drops and them stuff there.
Yes.
The vanilla.
Then you have the cinnamon.
Okay.
Original cinnamon instead of the powder.
Okay.
We have the,
You boil the cinnamon.
yeah.
So how do you get it to look like? It kind of like oil.
Yes,
Yes,
liquid.
it boil, and then I strain it.
And they strain it.
Yeah.
Right.
This is the nutmeg.
That's your grater.
Yeah.
So people, these are no spices that are bought in the supermarket.
Everything from the farm.
Everything from the farm where you see behind me.
The salt.
Alright.
Last but not least, a little salt.
Yes.
Yeah. And I have a little tradition. You can use the coconut and
Yes.
add to it as well.
And this add texture, right?
Yes.
Add texture and a little flavor.
And a little flavor.
Alright. So she don't waste the coconut that she grater, you know. She don't waste it. She literally use this back now for
So
texture.
you can add a little more raisin.
You can take some more raisin. Right? For the youth in.
Alright.
Okay, so we're gonna
Go and taste. Add little more. You can add a little more. if
Yeah, you can use up all of the milk. You know.
You even need more sugar.
No, the consistency is
more
key.
sugar.
Consistency is key.
Okay. Okay, so people, this is what he's saying. He's saying that he just wants to keep it consistent to this.
You're welcome.
Alright? So this is the consistency right here.
Yeah, you don't want it running.
And let me just
So Carla is now moving
move out these.
now to using up the
We have our
fabric.
scissors to cut.
Alright, so she have her scissors, she ready? Carla, who taught you how to do this?
My mom actually.
Do you recognize any of these items? Well, test your Jamaican knowledge at kareemsquest.com.
My mom.
Okay.
And I've learned from Tapioca Village Tree, Mr. Earl Sinclair as well. Sorry.
So this is coming from the leaf,
Right.
which we quail to get it pliable.
So you put it
You
in,
have
you
to
put,
quail it over the fire.
so him gently pushed over the fire to make it
Right,
pliable.
right,
If,
make it pliable.
if that never happened, what would have happened, Mr. Sinclair?
It would break up.
Or it would break up?
Right, it wouldn't be
So
pliable.
remember that. Okay,
Right, that's
good.
the key.
Alright.
Once we are, we can take it.
Yeah, I'm going to take out the blender as well.
Yeah, okay.
Once it mix,
Yeah.
we have to taste it to see if
This
it's
is our little
enough
bit them love, you know.
sugar
No,
is
and you can
there,
have, you
and
can have
have
a
to
taste
have a
up front, you know.
taste
You want to taste?
with
Yeah.
You can taste now.
with a
To see if you need
spoon.
adjust. Because sometimes they
It's perfect.
sweet, you know? Not too sweet?
Carla, you do this one, you like a picnic?
Yeah.
Yes,
All the way.
I used to love it.
Alright, okay.
So,
Okay,
alright,
so
this is
I come in and
a-
help, you know, kind of.
Yeah. So we use
And then spoon you.
yeah.
And more than that?
Mr. Sinclair, I get a feeling that ginger could have been added to something like this.
Yeah.
Ginger can be
ginger
added to
could be
it.
added
Ginger
to
can be added to it.
And you roll.
Mm-hmm.
So she's now tying. So
And to all my Ghana and African followers, I mean, please comment, because this is a tradition that didn't start in Jamaica.
Yeah,
it
we-
started in West Africa. So please comment and let us know what is what. Also, I always encourage you, please follow and like. It makes a big difference. So if you're on Facebook, you follow and like, and if you're on YouTube at Kareem's Quest, you subscribe and like. All right, appreciate it. While the Thai leaves were in the pot, Mr. Sinclair took me outside to show me how the cocoa is transformed into chocolate tea. And so the first thing that he showed me was how the seeds were placed on this flat metal kind of surface. so that the sun could be on it and it could transform from the various colors. So it started out very brown, and he took up the brown one and kind of put it to the end so I could get a better understanding, as well as you guys can see where it's coming from. And it starts out from that end until it gets very dark. Now when it gets to that dark stage, he puts it now in basically an open pan that would be on a flame, and he would turn it around until it reaches a crisp state. And when it reaches that crisp state, now he picks off the outer parts of it and keep doing that until he gets a good amount, and he can now put it into a different container. And this might take a little while, and it's an arduous process, but it just shows how diligent our grandparents were and what their lifestyle were like. And not just our grandparents, but also our foreparents. And so you would pick off all of these, and you would see the inner part now of the cocoa seed, and he would put it in the container and beat it down until it becomes basically a paste that you can form and mold into a circle. So you would fill that up to about 1/3 and just keep beating it and beating it and beating it. And this is something that you would do outside in the shade and sit down and perhaps while having a conversation with others. And once you beat it down and get it into that paste and you can mold it, you can add different spices to it to give it a flavor. Nutmeg, cinnamon, whatever it wants to be. And this is now at the stage where it is chocolate. And so you can smell it, and you smell the real chocolate scent coming from it. And you can put that in your pot now and boil your water and just mix it out, and it gives it that rich chocolate taste. But also put some coconut juice in it as well, people. I'm going to drink off more chocolate tea. So come we try this now. Mr. Sinclair, you do the honors, please. And people, Mr. Sinclair is like a man filled with a lot of wisdom. He also has a restaurant in Kingston. What's it called?
A catering service.
A catering service.
Tropical catering service.
Tropical catering service on Constant Spring Road, right?
Yes, Springvale Avenue.
Close to Phil's Plaza?
Yes.
Okay, Springvale Avenue, close to Phil's Plaza. So you can
Hardware.
Phil's Hardware. So you can get a lot of the nice food that you're seeing here, and you can look him up as well. So we're going to try this, and people, I always encourage you to like and subscribe. If you're on Kareems Quest on YouTube, you subscribe and you like, and it makes a big difference. If you're on Facebook, you can follow and like, all right? So we're going to try this. Everybody going to try.
We're going to say cheers.
Ty, you tell me about your grandmother when she used to make this for you. What you tell me? What the story go?
Old go man, me say, yo, when my grandmother put that in the pot and that cooking up, and that cool down, man, yeah. They say, coming tough like stone, man. You have to take all the axe, cut it, you know, and hold it. And once you can't eat a whole one, you know. Eat a half fight, they call it hold it for the day food, you know.
I'd fill you up.
Hold it for the day food.
Yeah. Yummy.
It's very yummy. I'd also encourage persons to eat this when it's warm.
Yes.
Yes.
Soak up the sun on pristine beaches, ride horses through the ocean, feel the zipline rush. With Kareems Quest Tours, discover Jamaica's hidden gems, find amazing places to stay, and learn the secrets of our island plans. Your unforgettable adventure awaits. So this is one of those pastries you have to eat when it's warm. The consistency is very good. The mixture is excellent. Not too much flour, not too much cornmeal, not too much raisin.
Not too much sweet potato.
Not too much sweet potato. Some people just do it with cornmeal and flour alone and no sweet potato.
Yes, and that's that's not the sweet potato. That's the cornmeal. And the traditional way is to grate the corn itself. To make the corn one.
Exactly.
They do the cornmeal into the corn.
Original corn.
Original corn.
Alright people, so this was another lovely experience for me. You're always welcome to join the quest. Look out for Kareem's Quest on all the social media pages, Instagram, Facebook and YouTube.
And we have also handed out a surprise straight cane juice.
Yeah, what you were telling, but it's already. Alright.